If you want to turn off Google Drive Sync, you've got a few different options, depending on whether you want a temporary pause or a full stop. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to pause syncing, remove a folder from Google Drive Sync, and fully disconnect your account if you no longer want anything syncing at all. This is a quick but really useful fix if you want to save bandwidth, reduce storage use, or simply stop files from updating automatically. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. Let's get started. First, if you only want to stop sync temporarily, look for the Pause Syncing option at the top of Google Drive. Click Pause Syncing, and syncing will stop until you manually resume it later. This is the easiest option if you just need a short break and don't want to make any permanent changes. It's great when you're working offline, troubleshooting a file issue, or just don't want Drive running in the background for a while. Now, if you want to stop syncing a specific folder instead of pausing everything, you'll need to go into Preferences. Open Google Drive Settings and find the My Computer section. This is where folders from your computer are linked to Drive. Once you're there, select the folder you added earlier. After selecting it, click Remove Folder, or uncheck the option that syncs it with Google Drive. This tells Drive to stop watching that folder and uploading changes from it. When you're done, click Save to apply the changes. That's important, because without saving, your new settings might not take effect. If you want to complete stop and don't want Google Drive syncing anything from that device anymore, there's one final option. Go back into Preferences and click the gear icon if needed to access more settings. Then choose Disconnect Account. This is the most permanent option, and it completely stops all syncing from that device. Once you disconnect the account, Google Drive will no longer keep files updated between your computer and the cloud, so use this option only if you're sure you want to fully turn sync off. So to recap, you can pause syncing for a temporary break, remove a folder to stop just one folder from syncing, or disconnect the account to shut syncing down completely. If you only need a short pause, use the first option. If you want to keep Drive installed but stop certain folders, use the second. And if you want everything disconnected, choose the third. If this tutorial helped you, please hit like and subscribe for more helpful step-by-step guides. And if you want more simple tech videos like this, stay tuned because I'll see you in the next one.